Hello everybody, Saint J Marketing here, and in this video I'm going to give you the most valuable advice that you're ever going to need when it comes to generating consistent leads for your business and converting those leads into sales. So let's get straight into it. I don't want to waste your time. I know that you're very busy, and I'm going to make this the most straightforward and easy to understand tutorial that you're ever going to see. You literally head on over to the ads manager, you set it up, click create, and then you're going to click on leads. Okay, so make sure that your pixel's set up, make sure that your standard events are set up, make sure all of that is set up. Obviously, if you need help with any of that, then you can schedule a call with me below. So you head on over to the ad creation. When you're doing the ad set level, the only thing that you need to worry about is the instant form. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an instant form for these people to fill out. It's a lot quicker than sending them to your website. You generate a lot more leads. And if you know anything about making money, then you'll know that if you can get on the phone with someone that's interested in working with you, then collecting a payment makes a lot of sense. So you're going to set the location to wherever you are. If you want to do, for example, let's say that you are a lash technician in Atlanta, Georgia. You literally just type in Georgia, and then, oh, look, there it is, the United States. And then if you want to do a radius, then if you type in, I believe they're called counties, so Lawrenceville, which is within Georgia, then it gives you a kilometer slider. So you can literally just set a radius around a specific county or a specific postcode or a specific area. So if you're local, then you're going to want to set this because obviously you can't help the entire earth. But if you can help the entire world, if you can sell product worldwide, whatever it is, set it to worldwide, set it wherever the location is that you want to target. Cool. Do not touch this. Do not touch this. Do not touch this. Do not touch anything else. Okay. You want to get results. This is how you're going to get them. Do not touch anything else once you've done that. And then you want to go to new leads ad. All right. Now here, you're going to set up the ad using this structure. All right. And this works exceptionally well for local lead generation. So if you're a moving company, if you're a pressure washer, if you're a beautician, esthetician, lash technician, hair technician, wig installation expert, whatever it is that you do locally, then this is how you're going to get people entering in their name, email, and phone number. All you or your VA or your PA or your sales team do, they pick up the phone, they call the number that the customer put in. If they answer, amazing. They present to them an offer, and then literally you just comment below the outcome of the call. So called twice, texted, and emailed. Absolutely amazing. Cool. Let's have a look at this one. Answered first ring, sent over an estimate, said it sounded good, and she's going to talk with her husband about it. Absolutely amazing. Let's see the outcome of this one. Sent estimate for house wash, spoke on the phone, told me he would make a decision Monday and that it sounded good. Okay, so now you can understand how you can start running these campaigns, $10 a day, generate 2 or 3 of these calls a day, answer the phone, process a payment, get revenue, repeat the process again and again. Now you can understand how to run paid advertising, right? It's very straightforward. These graphics, I didn't even make them. You can make them in Canva yourself if that's your thing, or you can just go on Fiverr and pay someone £4.08 to do this for you. So this is the person I do it with, 5-star rating. She's done it 1,694 times. You're free to use her if you want. She charges £4, which is like $5 for one social media ad. And then you just tell her what to put on the screen. All right. You tell her to put, you can literally show her these. You can copy these if you want. It's completely up to you. You can use ChatGPT to write the ad text. But you've got the still image from Fiverr, or you make it yourself, and you've got the copy from ChatGPT that makes sense, that you like. You're simply going to go into the ads manager, scroll down, add media, add the image that you've created. Primary text, you paste in the ChatGPT primary text. So AI will generate text for you based upon whatever you put in here. So what I like to do is I like to click like at least 3 of these generated. So I mean at least 2 of these so that there's 3 in total. So you click on this box, and then that adds the 2 variations in. You know, read them, proofread them, make sure they make sense. Headline, you want to just write a headline about what it is that you're offering. So free consultation and $100 off gift card, whatever. Bish bash bosh. Select 2 of these. Ignore this. Set this to get quote or whatever, because that's what you're offering, a free quote. Again, the key is you want to make it eye-catching. You want to make it, that they want what they want, and you want pictures. You need pictures of the service being performed. Pictures, faces, humans. You want that. That's how you get it to work really well. You're going to create a form. Very, very simple. All right. Questions, you just want to ask them qualification questions. So honestly, you don't need to ask them that much. If it's, you get creative with here, but you don't want to ask them too many questions because it lowers the chance that they become a lead. All I've been doing for all my clients is name, email, phone number, and then they get on the phone and talk from there. But yeah, you're going to create that, get it published. Here's an example for mine. So, laptop lifestyle, apply for your free roadmap call. If you're a good fit, how much cash do you have? What's your current occupation? What's your motivation for booking the call? What time suits you? Next page. Name, your email, phone number. Next page. Privacy policy. Yours is obviously going to look different. You're probably going to have a lot more questions, but every business is different. Make sure that you set your website events as well. So I'm really going to paste in that string of text into this box, and you'll thank me later for that. So yeah, like here's examples of some case studies where I've done this for product-based businesses. So as you can see here, $741,000 generated within their Shopify account, $499,000 generated within the Shopify account. We made £21,000 in 1 month. This is Triple Whale, which is a third-party tracking software. We've got some more reviews here if you want to have a look at them. Go ahead, take action, implement what you've just learned, and get results. At the end of the day, the only thing that's separating you from all these other businesses is the fact that they are advertising and you're probably not, because you don't understand it or you don't have the time. Well, now you've got no excuse. So go ahead and implement this. If you want to schedule a free implementation call, well, I just do this for you because you literally still don't have the time, then go ahead and click on the link below to schedule that free call. If you have any questions, then let me know. You can let me know on the call. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. This was 11 minutes long. Pretty decent use of your time. If it wasn't, let me know and I'll cash up you $50 because I'm that confident that this has just changed your life. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Schedule a call with me if you want me to implement this for you, or if you have any questions. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.